Lesson 7, Fine-Tuning Your Workflow. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use guides to help you create precise layouts in Dreamweaver CS4. Your first step will be to turn on rulers inside of Dreamweaver. In order to do this, go ahead and choose View, choose Rulers, and then Show. You'll get two rulers, one on the top and one on the side, both measuring in pixels. Your first step will be to create two guides vertically. So I'm going to place my cursor on the ruler on the left, and then I'll click and drag two guides out. Now I'm not too worried about the exact placement of these, although you will notice you see a small yellow window with the pixel value inside. I'm actually going to double click on this second guide here and type in the exact location. I'll type 494, press OK, that creates the right guide, and then I'll double click on the first one and I'll choose 38 and press OK. That places the guide at 38 pixels here and 494 here. Now you'll create two horizontal guides. You'll want to do the same thing. Place your cursor on the top ruler, click and drag down, and then click and drag down again. Now go ahead and double click on the top guide to get that same window. Type 152, press OK. Go ahead and double click on the second guide and type 380 and then press OK. The reason we're doing this is because this area in the middle is where we'd like to precisely place an AP div and then an image. I want to show you a nice little benefit of guides that I consider a hidden feature of Dreamweaver. I mentioned before that when you place your cursor over a guide, it shows the position. However, if you press and hold down the Control key or the Command key on the Mac, it also shows you in measurements the distance between one section and the other. For example, I can see that the distance from the top guide to the bottom is 228 pixels. If I place my cursor over here, I can see that the measurement between the right guide and the edge of the document window is 268 pixels. Again, you can do the same for all sections here. This is really nice because it allows you to plan your layout in real time. Okay, now you're going to create an AP div. If you don't currently have it open, go ahead and go to the Insert panel, make sure that the Layout section is selected, and then choose Draw AP Div. Now you'll place your cursor in the upper left-hand corner here, and you'll click and drag down and to the right to create an AP Div. You'll notice as you click and drag that this AP Div now snaps to the edge of your guides. This is crucial because it allows you to place your AP Div precisely where you'd like it. Again, you want to make sure that it's snapping. And there you have it. You have your AP Div in its precise location. The last thing you'll do here is place an image inside the AP Div. With the cursor inside, choose Insert, Image, navigate to the Images folder in your Lesson folder, and choose HP Photo. Click OK. You'll get an image tag accessibility window up here. This is also known as alt tags. This allows you to describe your image in text for accessibility purposes. Go ahead and type in Soothing Lakefront, and then press OK, and the image appears.